All right, so let's do some problems over there. Hold on. There we go. The table below shows the value of one cycle of a periodic function f of x. The graph of f of x consists of a straight line segments that connect the consecutive points in the table. So table, I have x value on the top, y value at the bottom. Based on the value in the table, explain how you would know that this is a one cycle of a continuous periodic function. If you want to, I highly suggest you stop this video and actually try all of them and then compare with the answer. I think that will be more helpful than you just going with me. So FYI. So in order for it to be periodic, I need to see that the same y value repeats over and over again, right? Well, same value repeats over. Notice it starts at -4, 4 and ends at 3, 4. So my y value starts at 4, ends at 4. So it is a periodic function because it starts and ends at the same y value. So it's going to keep repeating. Identify the period and amplitude of f of x. Justify your answer. Period is the horizontal distance to complete one cycle. So I'm going to look at from what x to what x. -4 to 3. What's the distance between -4 to 3? 7. Amplitude is the half of the maximum y value. What's the biggest y value? 4 minus smallest y value, -2. Half times 6 is 3. So amplitude of 3, period of 4. Excuse me, 7. It actually makes more sense if you graph it. So let's go ahead and plot those points, shall we? All right, the first is -4, 4. 0, 2. 1, -2, and 3, 4. And it says it consists of lines connecting one another. So I'm going to go ahead and connect like this. So that's the one cycle. Starts and ends at the same place. So it makes sense, right? Also, period is 7. From here to here is 7. Amplitude, half of so everything makes sense. All right, now I want to extend this to the left and extend this to the right to complete all the way from -11 to 10. How do you do it? Well, you just have to repeat the same pattern over and over again. Okay, so pause it and then go from there. But I'll do it here. So go down 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from here to the next, you go 1 right, and then down here. And then you go 2 right, and then go up there. So there's my another cycle. Keep going from here. I go 2 down here, and then 1 left up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 up. There you go. So I just completed 3 cycles. Did I see it? It's a 3 cycle. So it's one cycle, and then 2, 3. Now, really, this lesson, the highlight of this lesson is the last 2 problems. Last 2 problems. Very, 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 very important. Okay? All right. So, what are the values of f of 15 and f of -77? All right, what are we going to do? One